Hello everyone! So for today's video, I will try to compare and contrast ano yung difference ng global teacher and domestic teacher. Kasi yun yung isa sa tinatanong upon filling up of forms ng ating interviewer kung ano yung gusto natin. So we have to choose only one between global teacher and domestic teacher. Kasi sa time ko, pag-apply ko, hindi ako pinapili. Nalaman ko na lang na domestic teacher pala ako. Ang mga nag-a-apply ngayon, you have the choice kung saan kayo gusto, sa global or domestic. Pero sa time ko, syempre, para bang nainggit ako sa mga natag na as global teacher. Kasi sa isip-isip ko, maraming students doon at saka malaki yung incentives. So ito yung totoo sa global and domestic teacher. Based na rin ito sa tinanong ko na interviewer. Okay, so I will be comparing and differentiating the two kinds of teachers in 5-1 Talk in 4 ways. So una tayo sa students. So for the students, if you are a global teacher, yung students mo are from Middle East. So malaki yung scope ng Middle East, diba? So maraming students rin doon. Mayroon ring from mainland and other parts of Asia. Pwedeng magka-estudyante ka ng Malaysian or Thais, mga galing sa Thailand. Okay? So yun yung mga possible students nyo. If you are a domestic teacher, isa lang yung nationality ng ating mga students. From mainland China lang po. Yun yung mga students natin. How about sa time? Okay, sa time naman, teachers, kung global teacher ka, the peak hours is from 6 o'clock to 9:30. And then, mayroon silang peak hours na pang graveyard. Yes, 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock in the early morning, AM. So, madaling araw. Peak hours rin yun sa kanila. Okay, kasi we are 5 hours advanced or ahead from the Middle East. So, mayroon rin silang ibang peak hours. Okay, so kung type mo na mayroon kang peak hours sa gabi, gusto mo rin na magturo ng madaling araw, go ka na sa global teacher. Dito naman tayo ikatatlo sa incentives. Tinanong ko yung interviewer, anong difference? Kasi sa isip-isip ko noon, malaki yung incentive sa global teacher. Pero actually, pareho lang. Pareho lang talaga ng mga incentives. Pati yung ranking at saka salary rate, whether you are a global or a domestic teacher. Dito tayo sa bookings. Okay. Ang thinking ko rin before is maraming estudyante sa global kasi from the word itself, global ba naman? Ang anticipation ko is, siyempre maraming estudyante, pero actually, pareha rin lang. Sa teacher talaga ang factor. Kung gagalingan mo, isipagan mo, tapos willing ka talagang tuto and you want to boost your learnings and teaching skills, you have to do something para na marami kang estudyante. Yes, babalik-balik talaga yung mga estudyante. Hindi ka talaga mawawala ng bookings if you're going to boost your teaching skills. And one way to do that is mag-book ka ng mga trainings in our portal. That's for free po, teachers. Kasi we cannot be performing teacher kung hindi talaga tayo mag-a-undergo ng training. Okay? So whether online or live teacher tayo dito sa Pilipinas, kailangan talaga natin ng trainings. Yes. Pero kung ako siguro papipiliin, I would prefer to have the domestic teacher. As to experience of mine, marami naman akong bookings. Tapos, mas hiyang sa akin kasi part-timer lang ako. Kailangan ko na yung peak hours is gabi lang talaga. From 6 o'clock to 9:30. Okay na ako nun. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya yung 12 midnight to 3 o'clock in the morning. So, graveyard talaga yon. Hindi naman tayo nagtatrabaho para ikamatay natin, di ba? Pero, for full-timers, siguro okay yun na schedule. Pero, depende pa rin sa teacher ano yung hiyang sa kanya. It's your choice. It's your final choice naman. At saka nga pala sa training, kung pinili nyo yung global teacher pala, mas mahigpit po yung ating mga trainers doon. Trainers are very particular, especially on the pronunciation. So, I would suggest or I would advise na kung medyo dihado or nagilid tayo sa pronunciation, so better choose the domestic teacher. So, sana ay nakatulong itong video na ito. Kung saan talaga kayo gusto, sa global or sa domestic, basta gawin nyo lang yung best ninyo as teachers, marami talaga tayong bookings. If you have seen this video and you can advise more, just comment down below kasi yun lang yun sa aking experiences, teachers ha. Hindi yun paninira sa mga global teachers kasi hindi naman talaga ako naka-experience na maging global teacher. So, if you are a global teacher and you have seen this video, you can also comment down below and share more your experiences as global teacher and what are the benefits of being a global teacher para magka-idea naman yung beginners pa at saka papasok pa sa 5-1 Talk. That's all for today. Thank you so much and have a great teaching journey. Bye-bye!